Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video I want us to respond or to explain example 5 of graphs 8. And we are still looking at transformation. And we have in the previous video introduced a summary of transformation, and I just want to write it here. It's called the Mayo table. The Mayo table. It's going to help us also deal or answer or explain this question. Minus a 1 over a and a, and Timothy should verify his argument. And we say that multiplication, M means multiplication, A means addition, I means inside, O means outside, T means translation, S means stretch, V is vertical, and H is horizontal. All these are elements of movement or elements of change. We are told that the graph A, and as you can see it, the graph A, this one, the graph A, this is the graph A, is a translation of y is equals to fx. So you can see the y is equals to fx is actually that graph. It is translated to graph A. Describe the transformation. And you can see that the transformation is quite clear and direct, because if we can focus on the maximum point of the original graph, y is equal to fx, it is the point 1, 2. The point 1, 2, maximum point of fx is equals to 1, 2. Maximum point of graph A is 1, 1, 1, 1. What does that mean? It means the graph has gone down one step. It means it is a vertical translation. It is a vertical translation. It has gone, it's a vertical translation, meaning that it has gone down just one step. So if you look at this, that is the column we are going to highlight, and this is the other column we should be able to highlight and call it vertical translation of A steps, meaning that it has gone down one step. So if this is a reflection, or if this one is a result of this after transformation, so A is a vertical translation of fx, and that one happens because only y values are affected. So we can answer part A of the question and say it is a translation of 0, -1, meaning that only y values will be reduced by 1, because we are talking about vertical movement, and in this case we are coming down from 2 to 1. This means we have added just a -1. And this addition, as you can see, it is addition outside, which gives us vertical translation of -1 step. So part B of the question, find the image of the maximum point 1, 2. the image of the maximum point 1, 2. It follows that the maximum point 1, 2, if you happen to add the translation of the vector of translation, it will give you 1, 1, because 2 plus minus 1 is simply 1, 1. And again, remember we agreed, vertical translation, it means all y values are reduced by 1. All y values are reduced by 1. So in other words, it follows that the point 1, 2, which can be clearly seen here, translates to a point 1, 1. And that is the response to part B of the question. Part C of the question, write down the equation of A. Write down the equation of A. And of course, anytime we are expected to write down the equation of A, yet we know A originally is y is equals to fx. So the original function was y is equals to fx. And for us to achieve this kind of translation, we have to have addition outside of A. It means, therefore, we have to add a negative A to the original function. That means the new function now becomes y, or rather is equals to fx minus 1. And this is the equation of A. This is the equation of A. So we can also talk about A being equals to y is equals to fx plus negative 1. And that is the new equation. Part D of the same, we are told that if fx is equals to negative x squared plus 2x plus 1, find the equation of A. We are told that fx happens to be minus x squared plus 2x plus 1. Find the equation of A. If it is the one that has undergone this vertical translation, or if it is the one that we are adding a negative 1. So the only thing we need to do here is just upon and within the whole of this function, we just add 1. So A, we just add negative 1 according to part C of the question there. So A is equals to minus x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 1. And it goes without saying that we collect the like terms such that plus 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So in a nutshell, what we are saying is that A is equals to negative x squared plus 2x. And that is the equation. That is the equation of the new function after transformation. And because it is a function of x, so we can eventually say that y is equals to minus x squared plus 2x. So if you happen now to plot the graph, it will be the graph of this function if our original function was this. That is it. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you.